Children, welcome to today's session. In your previous session, you have learned how to find the square root by division method. Just you recall it, children. Now we will see the continuity of exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4, question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Part 1, 402. See the solution. First, place a bar for the given number 402. Here, 2 square is equal to 4. Take this number 2 as the divisor and the number 4 as the dividend. Here, 2 2s are 4. Then, 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, bring down 0 2. Now, the new dividend is 0 2. Then double the quotient, that is 2 plus 2 is 4. Enter it with a blank on its right. In this case, we see that 40 into 0 is equal to 0. Here the new digit in the quotient is 0. That is 2 minus 0 is 2. The remainder is 2 because 2 minus 0 is 2 and no digits are left in the given number. Therefore, to get a perfect square, 2 must be subtracted from 402 because here 2 is the remainder. 402 minus 2 is equal to 400. Therefore, root of 400 is equal to 20. Next one, part 3, 3250. Here also, see the solution. Here also first place a bar for the given number 3250. Here 32 is in between 5 square and 6 square. 5 square is less than 32. So take this number 5 as the divisor and the number 32 as the dividend. Now 5 5s are 25. So 32 minus 25 is 7. Here the remainder is 7. Next, bring down the number 50 to the right of the remainder 7. Now the new dividend is 750. That is 750. Then double the quotient. That is 5 plus 5 is 10. Enter it with a blank on its right. In this case, we see that 107 into 7 is equal to 749, which is less than 750. Here the new digit in the quotient is 7. Now the remainder is 1. That is 750 minus 749 is equal to 1. And no digits are left in the given number. Therefore, to get a perfect square, 1 must be subtracted from 3250. Now, 3250 minus 1 is equal to 3249. Therefore, root of 3249 is equal to 57. Next one, fifth part 5, 4000. See the solution. First, place a bar for the given number 4000. Here, 6 square is less than 40. So, take this number 6 as the divisor and the number 40 as the dividend. Here, 6 6 are 36 and 40 minus 36 is 4. So, the remainder is 4. After that, bring down 0 0 to the right of the remainder 4. Now the new dividend is 400. Double the quotient, that is 6 plus 6 is 12. In this case, we see that 123 into 3 is 369. Here the new digit in the quotient is 3. Now 400 minus 369 is equal to 31. So the remainder is 31. To get a perfect square, 31 must be subtracted from 4000. 4000 minus 31 is equal to 3969. Therefore, root of 3969 is equal to 63. Question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. Part 1, 525. See the solution. First, place a bar for the given number 525. Here, 5 is in between 2 square and 3 square. 2 square is less than 5. So, take this number 2 as the divisor and the number 5 as the dividend. Here, 2 2s are 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So, the remainder is 1. After that, bring down 25 to the right of the remainder 1. Now, the new dividend is 125. Double the quotient, that is 2 plus 2 is 4. In this case, we see that 42 into 2 is 84. Here the new digit in the quotient is 2. Now 125 minus 84 is equal to 41. So the remainder is 41. 22 square is less than 525. Next perfect square number is equal to 23 square, that is equal to 529. So the required number is equal to 529 minus 525, that is equal to 4. Hence, to get a perfect square, 4 must be added to 525. 525 plus 4 is equal to 529. Therefore, root of 529 is equal to 23. Next, part 4, 1825. See the solution. Here also, first place a bar for the given number 1825. Here 18 is in between 4 square and 5 square. 4 square is less than 18. So take this number 4 as the divisor and the number 18 as the dividend. Here 4 4s are 16 and 18 minus 16 is 2. So the remainder is 2. After that, bring down 25 to the right of the remainder 2. Now the new dividend is 225. Then double the quotient, that is 4 plus 4 is 8. In this case, we see that 82 into 2 is 164. Here the new digit in the quotient is 2. Now 225 minus 164 is equal to 61. So the remainder is 61. Here 42 square is less than 1825. Next perfect square number is equal to 43 square, that is equal to 1849. Now required number is equal to 1849 minus 1825, that is equal to 24. Hence, to get a perfect square, 24 must be added to 1825. Therefore, 1825 plus 24 is equal to 1849. So, root of 1849 is equal to 43. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. See the solution. Area of a square is equal to 441 meters square. That is, side into side is equal to 441 meters square. So, side is equal to root of 441. That is equal to root of 21 into 21. That is equal to 21 meter. So, the length of the side of a square is 21 meter. Question number 7. In a right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Part A, if AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, then find AC. See the given diagram. In this right angle triangle, AB is perpendicular, BC is base, AC is hypotenuse. Here AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter. See the solution. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now AC square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. That is equal to 36 plus 64. That is equal to 100. So AC square is equal to 100. AC is equal to root 100. That is equal to root of 10 into 10. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Now AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Question number 9. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? See the solution. Total number of children is equal to 500. Here, total number of children 500. Now, we need to find square root of 500. First, place a bar for the given number 500. Here, 2 square is less than 5. So, take this number 2 as divisor and the number 5 as dividend. Here, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. That is, the remainder is 1. Bring down 0, 0 to the right of the remainder 1. Now we get the new dividend 100. Then double the quotient. Here the quotient is 2. That is, 2 plus 2 is 4. In this case, we see that 42 into 2 is 84. The new digit in the quotient is 2. Now, 100 minus 84 is equal to 16. So, the remainder is 16. Remainder is equal to 16. Number of children left out in this arrangement is equal to 16. Summary. In this chapter, you have studied the following. First one, square numbers, properties of square numbers, adding triangular numbers, numbers between square numbers, adding odd numbers, a sum of consecutive natural numbers, product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers, finding the square of a number, Pythagorean triplet, finding square root through repeated subtraction, finding square root through prime factorization, finding square root by division method, and square root of decimals. Thank you, children.